Hey guys, welcome to the Menu Education. Now today in this video we'll talk about two most popular entrance exam for your management studies, and that is nothing but very first one the CAT and other one Maharashtra CET exam. Okay guys, so stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk in detail about some of the parameters like so we'll start with the introduction part, thereafter the popularity ranking, and the repo of that particular entrance exam. Thereafter we'll talk about the admission process, fee structure, colleges, and the most important one nothing but placement with respect to the top business schools. Guys, whenever we talk about the top business school, that means वो placement बहुत अच्छा देता है guys. Okay, so watch this video till the end. Before moving further guys, we have launched the batches for all entrance exams such as for CAT, MBA CET, CMAT, TASE, ANMAT, SNAP, IFT, ZAT, all other ones for 2022 and 23. If you want a preparation for 2021, you can join our crash course programs, or wanna interact live with us for 2022 and 23. You can interact live with us. You will receive the books. You will learn very shortcut tricks. All doubts will be solved. You will get access for the recorded videos for topic tests, mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made, and throughout this period, you will solve around 10,000 plus questions, guys. Okay, so you will also get the mentorship, and along with this preparation you will also get preparation for your GT, VAT, PI, and whatever the selection criteria if any institutes include. Okay guys, so book your seat right now. Call on 8828581455, or you can visit our website manuedu.com/MBA-entrance. So moving further guys, let's talk with the info part. So very first one, the CAT, it is nothing but the common admission test, while CET is a common entrance test. Now CAT, it is a national level entrance exam conducted every year by one of the IIMs based on the policy of the rotations. Now, so very first one, the CAT started in 1984 and it was the pen and paper based. Thereafter in 2009, so mode is changed to the CBT, that is computer based mode. So very first one, IIM Ahmedabad conducted the CBT mode test in 2009, but yes, बहुत सारी difficulties आई guys there, and thereafter it is reconducted in 2010 by the IIM Ahmedabad. Okay guys, now who accepts the scores? All the IIMs, there are 20 IIMs guys, and the top business schools, all these are accept the CAT score. Now let's talk about the CET. It is common entrance test conducted by the state CET cell, government of Maharashtra. It is state level entrance exam. Now since 2014, all the admissions on the basis of the CET score. CET for all Maharashtra state candidates, and other test for all OMS category candidates, that means other than Maharashtra state. So who accept Maharashtra CET score? All Maharashtra based colleges accept the CET score, while CAT all over India. Okay guys, it is national level test and it is state level entrance test. Now if you talk about, there are a lot of entrance exams in the management held in India, but out of all these, the CAT is considered most sought after. Okay guys, so this is info part. Now we'll talk about some of the parameters, because we have to discuss about the popularity of these entrance exams. Either CAT most popular hai or the CET guys. So here I listed all these parameters. Very first one, the number of aspirants. So number of aspirants for each year, CAT के लिए apply करते हैं around guys 2.5 lakh per annum, while CET के लिए आप देखोगे तो 1.25 lakh per annum. Now CAT, it is a national level entrance exams, and look at the number of candidates guys, and this is the state level entrance exam, but again look at the number of the aspirants guys. The competition going tougher each year, even वो चाहे CET हो या फिर CAT की exam हो. Now number of colleges, then 20 IIMs accept the CAT का score, and thereafter 1500 plus top business schools are there accept the CAT score, and if you talk about the Maharashtra CET, then 330 plus colleges are there who accept Maharashtra MBA CET score. Okay guys, now top colleges कौन कौन सी है, and if you talk about the CAT, then obviously guys IIMs, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, and various top business school. FMS Delhi भी है, IIT Gurgaon भी है, IIT Bombay भी है. And if you talk about the CET, then very first one, always first rank JBIMS guys, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies. Thereafter Shimsri, Signum, and Anil Dalmia. We can say that SIE is there, Wellinger is there, lot of colleges are there. We'll talk later. Now if you talk about the difficulty wise, so difficulty obviously CAT का जो पैटर्न होता है guys, difficulty level काफी high होती है, so it will be moderate to the difficult level. And अगर बात करें CET की, then it is easy to moderate level. Okay guys, now if you talk about the base, जो popularity है for CAT and CET guys completely different है, although syllabus काफी same है, बट जो पेपर पैटर्न होता है और डिफिकल्टी लेवल होती है फॉर कैट एंड इवन फॉर द सीईटी, दीज आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. बट यस गाइज, अगर आप सीईटी के पहले कैट का एग्जाम दोगे तो आपका बेस काफी स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज कैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द एक्यूरेसी वाइल सीईटी is based on the speed. We'll talk about later, okay? And also this selection criteria, अब ये भी काफ़ी इफेक्ट करता है guys. We'll talk later on this parameter. Let's discuss in short, okay? It includes GD, PI and etc etc etc. बहुत सारे criterias होते हैं guys, okay? And CET की अगर बात करें, if you wanna pursue the MMS and the MBA की degree, then there is no GD, PI. So those candidates जिनको GD, PI, VAT सबसे डर लगता है guys, you can prepare for the MBA CET. काफ़ी कम फीस में काफ़ी अच्छे पैकेजेस मिल जाएंगे गाइस आपको. IIM की बात करें तो फीस स्ट्रक्चर काफ़ी हाई, विल टॉक अबाउट लेटर. सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर एंड नाउ इट इज़ द एडमिशन प्रोसेस. सो कैट के रिगार्डिंग दिस इज द सिलेबस: वर्बल एबिलिटी एंड रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. नाउ लुक एट द CET. सेम है, वर्बल एबिलिटी एंड रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, यहाँ तक तो सेम है, एंड द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रीजनिंग. There is nothing out of world, okay? So in CAT you will get around 100 questions and that is for 3 hours. So 3 hours का time मिलेगा guys, that is 180 minutes for just 100 questions. While अगर CET की बात करें then 200 questions for only 150 minutes. So guys, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, CAT is based on the accuracy and CET is based on the speed. आपकी स्पीड कितनी है guys, that's matter. So यहाँ काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. You have to learn all those shortcut tricks and the cognitive technique use. Okay guys, now what exactly the SATE score should be guys? It is, अगर आपको परसेंटाइल लाना है up to 95 percentile or above the 99, then guys you have to score around 100 plus marks. If 90 plus percentile, then you can score around 80 plus marks, okay? And if you want a 95 percentile, then आपको score करना है around 90 to 95 plus marks. Okay guys, so based on the percentile, let's assume 100 percentile is nothing but the 150 plus का score guys, okay? So those जिसने 150 का target किया है guys will got the 100 percentile. Thereafter 99.9 percentile अगर चाहिए तो guys you have to score around 115 marks, okay guys, out of 300. Okay guys, so now with respect to the CET, then SATE score is nothing but the 140 plus to get entered into the JBIMS or the SIMSRI, Sydenham और कोई भी टॉप कॉलेज guys. So SATE score should be 140 out of 200 marks. Now what exactly the selection process says, यहाँ हम बात करेंगे in detail about the selection process guys. Very first one, अगर CET की बात करें then there is no requirement of any selection criteria such as GD, चाहे वो PI हो, चाहे वो VAT हो, एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स हो, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस हो, कुछ भी हो गाइस, देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया, एनी सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया. जस्ट आपने CET का एग्जाम दे दिया, यू गॉट द स्कोर, यू गेट एंटर इनटू द टॉप कॉलेज अगर आपका स्कोर बहुत अच्छा होगा. नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ GD, PI. जो भी स्टूडेंट अगर डरता है पर्सनल इंटरव्यू से, VAT से, GD से, गाइज डोंट वांट टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर्स. गाइज डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. MBA CET का एग्जाम क्रैक कर दो एंड यू कैन गेट इंटरव्यू विद द टॉप कॉलेज इन महाराष्ट्र. सो दोज कैंडिडेट जिनको PI VAT से डर लगता है, अगेन आई एम सेइंग you can try for the CET, and if you are targeting the CAT, then guys वहाँ बहुत सारे सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरियाज है. CAT स्कोर वेरी फर्स्ट वन. thereafter एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स. अब यहाँ एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स आपके 10th 12th एंड इवन ग्रेजुएशन को भी सर्टन वेटेज मिलेगा. thereafter VAT इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. some of the institute will include GD or PI or plus work experience and even the gender diversity. Okay guys, so all these criteria are there. So if you want to target top college, आप ट्राई कर सकते हो CET से. Okay guys, although CAT it is the most popular one, but again I am saying CET भी हल्के में नहीं है guys. But again I am saying all those candidates selection criteria का कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं चाहिए guys. You can target for the Maharashtra CET. Okay guys, so let's move further. Now we'll talk about the fee structure. Okay guys, so CAT की fee structure for 2 years it is 23 lakhs inclusive of hostel fees. बहुत अच्छी बात है, हॉस्टल फीस के लिए आपको अलग से पैसा देना नहीं है. बट गाइस फी लुक एट द फी स्ट्रक्चर 23 लाख फॉर 2 years. एंड वही बात करें हम अगर CET की, देन some of the institutes are there जहाँ ईयरली यू हैव टू पे अराउंड 3 lakh to 4 lakh Okay, and some of the institutes are there जिनकी total fees 1.5 lakh है for 2 years. Some have 5.5 lakh for 1 year, or some have 6 to 7 lakh for 1 year. But look at this fee structure and this one. Now again, and if you talk about the hostel fees, then approx 70 to 80k per year. Now if you talk about the ROI with respect to the college, then guys, CET अगर आप देते हो you will get the economical college, while अगर आप CAT प्रेफर करते हो you will get the expensive college, क्योंकि फीस स्ट्रक्चर काफ़ी हाई होगी. Now if you talk about the top colleges, then guys with respect to CAT, as I said 20 IIMs, इनको तो आपको पहले टारगेट करना है. टॉप 10 और टॉप 6 गाइस, टॉप 6 IIM अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कोलकाता, लखनऊ, कोझिकोड एंड इंदौर, इनको आपको सबसे पहले टारगेट करना. देयरआफ्टर यू कैन टारगेट फॉर द IIM शिलोंग, रांची, रायपुर, IIM त्रिचिरापल्ली, उदयपुर, विशाखापट्टनम, नागपुर, काशीपुर, अमृतसर, बोध गया, रोहतक, संबलपुर, सिरमौर और IIM जम्मू. बाद में न्यू IIMs and the baby IIMs. Thereafter, and you can also target some of the few top colleges such as the FMS New Delhi, SP Jain Mumbai, MDI Gurgaon, IMI New Delhi, IMT Ghaziabad, XIMD, Xavier Institute of Management Bhubaneswar, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, TAPMI, Great Lakes, Goa Institute of Management Studies, Nirma University, and lot of there. Okay, with respect to the CET, these are the top colleges. You should target all these colleges first, and thereafter you can try for these ones. So your aim should be the JBIMS, Simsri, Sydenham, Wellinger, Kumba, SIS, College of Engineering Pune, Zyme, Chetna, MET, and L Dalmia. And thereafter Lala Lajpat Rai, Indira College, Sri Balaji College, Thakur, Rizvi, St. Francis, MIT World Peace, Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Management, Vezim, Francis C. Rodriguez, Sri Balaji University, and the Kohinoor Business School. Okay guys, so these all are the top colleges. Now we'll talk about the placement packages. So look at the figure guys, which one is most popular and which one gives you best ROI. So if you talk about the ROI, then obviously guys, the return on the investment is more with respect to CET, while less with respect to the CAT. But if we talk about the work experience and the packages, then guys, obviously CAT. But same again, if you will have the relevant experience in your field, you will get more than these all figures. So here we are talking about the ROI. Then ROI आपको best मिलेगा guys Maharashtra based colleges, because fee structure काफी low है as compared to the CAT. If you talk about the IIM's fee structure, then 23 lakh at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, Kolkata. कुछ IIM है जिनकी फीस है around 18 lakh, okay, and कुछ है जिनकी फीस है around 16 lakh. But if you talk about Maharashtra based institutes, then fee structure is 3 to 4 lakh per annum. Maximum it will be around 7 to 8 lakh per annum. Institute like Wellinger and other one. Okay guys, so the highest package you will get from CAT, it is about 55 lakh per annum, and the average stand at 26.5 lakh per annum. और जो एवरेज कैट देता है गाइज वही हाईएस्ट पैकेज बन जाता है आपका महाराष्ट्र बेस्ड कॉलेजेस में. सो हाईएस्ट पैकेज 34.36 लाख पर एनम. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द JBIMS, बाकी दूसरे कॉलेजेस की बात करेंगे देन गाइज, सो इट इज अराउंड 20 to 22 lakh or 18 to 20 lakh. Okay guys, now average package here is 22.84 lakh per annum with respect to the JBIMS, and these are figure with respect to the IIM Ahmedabad. Okay guys, so guys, these all are the packages. Now tell me in the comment box which one you are targeting. Either you want to enter into the IIM or you want to enter into the Maharashtra based top institutes such as the JBIMS or the Sydenham. Okay guys, so it's all up to you. Here we discuss about the comparison between these two entrance exams, the CAT and the CET, or you can say that the IIM versus the JBIMS or the top business school in Maharashtra. Okay guys, so this is all from the today's video. If you want a preparation material, you can interact live with us. Call on 8828581455, or you can visit our website manuoedu.com. Okay guys, you can also call on these respective numbers. So for all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those description and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Manuo MBA Entrance. So that's it guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.